Hi friends! Today, we are going to draw a beautiful scenery with a house, trees, clouds, and the sun.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's get started. Draw the house first. Let's draw a triangle on top for the roof. Then draw a square for the house. Don't forget to add a door and small window. Draw a chimney on top of the roof. Draw the trees next. Let's draw a tree on side of the house. Draw the trunk as a rectangle. And for the top, draw big circles to make it look like leaves. Then draw a fence behind the house and tree.
La da 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 dee.
Now, draw some fluffy clouds around the sun. Use soft, bumpy lines to make the clouds look fluffy.
Yay!
Draw a big circle for the sun, and then add rays coming out of it to make it shine bright. Our scenery is looking amazing. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with a black marker to make it stand out. Time to color, it's coloring time. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Purple color. Blue color. Gray color. Bottle green color. Brown color. Indigo color. Cream color. What a beautiful scenery! Great job, little artist! See you next time! Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you in the next video.